let's see. So, there you go, people. In this video, I'm gonna show the progress of this one. I still don't have the end, okay, so I'm gonna divide it in two parts because I still need to do a lot of work, but yeah, I can show a lot, so I hope you enjoy it, okay. It's gonna be a lot of time lapse, unfortunately, because they are all videos and not that much explained, but a lot of working. So I'm gonna try to put a nice background music, and I hope you enjoy it. So yeah, let's see what do you think about this lady. Yeah. Today's the day. I'm gonna start Tormenta. So yeah, let's take it to the door and try to start it and see how she does. Yeah. I built this engine 14 years ago, and of course now if I make it run, I guess in about 2 or 3 hours I will need to change all the gaskets because everything is dry and old. Everything after 5 years, more or less, if you don't do anything to the engine and you leave it there still, it's gonna crack once it gets hot and then cool off. So let's see, I'm curious. Yeah, let's see. I did the timing, but the stationary one, I didn't do like dynamic one because it never has been started. By the way, this is the first engine I built, British engine. Okay, this one, now it's full up, looks like it. Still dropping? No, okay. Now let's see. Oh my god. Yep, okay. Oof. Too good to be true, to start it. Yep. Ja. Ja, natuurlijk. Nee, dit is voor echte mannen.
Nog steeds niet, hè?
Ja. Ja, timing. Ja. Oh, wait a minute. That I didn't do the same mistake, you know, like sometimes he changes spark plugs. It's open. Yeah. Whoa, that's too early. Oh, okay. That's too early, but now I think she does something, yeah. Even kijken. Oeh. Holy fuck, what a kick. Okay, I'm afraid now. Oh. Woo! Ooh! Come on, lady. Come on. Ooh! Oh. Let's see. Okay. Is this right? Let's see. Check now. So she starts. That's good. Nice. But like the Vonnevel, she doesn't pump back. And I know there is oil. And so fucking hell. Oh, now it's dropping. That's it. Opa. Let's see. So guess what happened? So, I'm still a human. I did a mistake. Like always, if I did a mistake, I'm just say it. So voila. What I did, I switched the inlet of the oil for the exhaust. So yeah. Why? Because in-unit engines are different than in pre-unit engine, so the lines they go different, and that's what I thought that it was, but it isn't. That's a long time since I worked on a pre-unit, so yeah, funny. But anyways, the engine had oil, so that was good, because even I pump it manually in the rockers and everything. Now I did pump even more in the rockers. I changed the lines, so it should be good. It should be good. Let's see if she got some damage, and if it does, then shit. And if it doesn't, then nice, perfect. Then I can take the wheels out. Then gonna make next week. I'm gonna bring them away so they do the brakes for me, and then I can start to build up the engine, the motorcycle. So yeah, interesting. So yeah, let's see. Let's hope I didn't damage anything. Good. Let's try to show it. It's so crazy. I mean, yeah, it's another motorcycle, but it's my motorcycle. It's one, yeah, the first one I'm going to. Right now I have it in the minimum of oil. I need to build up more, that's for sure. But it's making that crazy noise is this one. This one. Yeah. Fuck yeah. I'm happy. I'm really happy. Finally something good. Yeah. Okay. Let's take it in. Take the wheels off. And yeah. Bring the wheels next week, put the gas tank, do some ordering. So yeah, voila, Tormenta, it's back alive. Yeah. Fuck yeah. So, as you can see, right now the bike, of course you don't see everything, but it's... Quieta. Joder, qué susto. What I wanted to say is, like, actually the video, I wanted to put all the tie-ups and everything, but I made it way shorter. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna do a second part, or maybe even 3 parts for this project, because it's my own project and I like it. And yeah, I took a lot of footage out of it, but they are old footage as you saw. And yeah, I hope you like it, yeah, just let me in the comments what you think, and yeah, like, subscribe, share this channel with everybody you know who might like it. Okay, every little thing helps. Okay, whatever. Again, leave a comment, even if you don't like it and you hate it, leave it too, it's good too, you know. I love haters. And yeah, if you like to help the channel, remember you can do so by buy me a coffee, or by do super thanks down the down this video. There is a button, you can click it up and voila. Okay, so yeah, see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.